Ni hao. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning some basic Mandarin Chinese phrases. Let's start with a simple question. Ni hao. How do you respond when someone says ni hao to you? You say wo hao. Now let's try it together. Ni hao. Wo hao. Wo hao. In the previous video, we learned how to introduce ourselves in Mandarin. 我叫mto. Now it's your turn. How do you introduce yourself in Mandarin? That's right. Now let's learn how to ask someone about their day. 你的一天怎么样? How do you respond when someone asks you about your day? Well, you can respond by saying 很好, which means very good, or 不错, which means not bad. 很好, 很好, or 不错, 不错. Let's learn how to say nice to meet you. 很高兴认识你. 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 Now it's your turn to say nice to meet you in Mandarin. Excellent. Remember to practice these phrases every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any feedback, suggestions, or questions, please do comment below. See you on the next video. 再见.